Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's RevX here. Today we're talking about the 5 best cars you can buy for under $10,000. If you're looking for a reliable ride that won't break the bank, stick around, because some of these will surprise you. Let's get right into it. At number 5, we've got the Honda Civic. This car is the definition of reliable. The Civic has a huge community behind it, parts are cheap, and you can find them everywhere. Plus, if you like tuning, the Civic is basically a blank canvas for mods. Under $10,000, you can easily grab a solid model from the late 2000s to early 2010s. Coming in at number 4, the Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 gives you that sporty feel while still being practical. It's fun to drive, handles corners really well, and has a reputation for being dependable. You can usually find one with good mileage under 10 grand, and it still looks modern compared to other cars in the same price range. Number 3 goes to the Toyota Corolla. Yeah, it's not the flashiest choice, but if you want something that will last forever, the Corolla is the move. People joke that these cars survive the apocalypse, and honestly, they're not wrong. Under $10,000, you can find models with tons of life left, and you'll barely spend money on repairs. At number 2, we've got the Ford Mustang 5.6. Now hear me out. This isn't the big V8 muscle monster, but the V6 Mustang gives you style, performance, and that iconic Mustang feel, all without blowing your budget. It's one of the most fun cars you can grab under $10,000, especially if you want something with personality. And finally, at number 1, the Honda Accord. The Accord is like the Civic's big brother. Comfortable, spacious, reliable, and still fun to drive. For under $10,000, you can get a well-kept Accord that'll easily last you another 100,000 miles. It's a perfect balance between daily driver comfort and long-term reliability. So those are my picks for the 5 best cars under $10,000. Which one would you pick? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next video. This has been RevX, and I'll catch you in the next one.